Alright guys, Ed the AV guy here, about to go do a media room installation. I'll show you how I set up my truck. I drive a truck. Now the best thing to drive is a van, for sure, no doubt about it, but I don't want to drive a van. I use my installation vehicle as my daily driver. Gotta drive a truck, just can't drive around a van. Anyways, I'll show you guys how I set it up. Alright, I got a media room, and obviously we got a couple of outdoor TVs. That's why it's a TCL. I don't like to put super nice TVs outside. Anyways, so what I've got going on, guys, is first we'll start with the bed liner. I use a bed rug. I absolutely love the bed rug. Carpeted bed liner allows me to throw all kinds of like sensitive stuff in there. And it won't get nicked up and dinged up. I was carrying some lumber the other day. That's what those wood chips are. Super easy to clean out. Man, I've got over 100,000 miles on this bed rug, and it looks awesome. Like, it looks great still. Way better than a spray-in would look or anything like that. So I got the bed rug down. I also have a lockable lid, rolling lock cover from American Truck Covers. I do like the metal ones, and I like the retractable ones. So as you can see, it rolls up and it locks. I can close this door. The end. Nobody's gonna mess with my stuff back there. So it's a solid aluminum cover. In the past, I've set TVs directly on top of there, multiple. I also put these rails on the side of mine, okay? With the rails, you can add different hardware on top of it. In this case, some load bars with my fishing pole setup. So you can see I stacked the TVs on top of that. I got my screen on this side. I got everything ratcheted down, and it still allows me access to the bed of my truck. So really cool setup. I really like it. You can fit a lot into a truck. Right, I can fit more equipment in here. I can put the kids on top of each other over there. So there it is. That's my setup. That's my sweet ride. It's a 2015 F-150, which I think I'm going to be trading out for a mega cab here pretty soon. Let me know what you think about that. I think I might get a diesel. I do just enough towing that I think I need it, but that's a different story. But there she is, loaded up. What do you guys think? Subscribe, like the video, you know the deal.